Violin and viola, look at the rhythm on the board and the notes. So we've got a dotted eighth note slurred to a 16th note. And then we have a staccato D eighth note over to our G string, back to our D string. Let me demonstrate this for you. Keep your eyes on the board behind me. It's 1 E and a short and 3 and 4 and. When we practice it each time, make sure to do a bow lift so we can start down bow. Let's try this together now. 3 E and a. 1 E and a short. G, 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 D, D. One more time, starting down bow. 4 E and a. 1 E and a short. G. Now I'm going to add a tie. So I just added a tie to the first set of G's. So let's try this again now. 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 3. Tie, short. One more time. 4 E and a 1 E and tie. Violins find measure 55 in our music, and that's the rhythm we just practiced. So we have a slur from the E, and I would use pinky finger. 1 E and then over to G. Okay, so let's try that together now that you've heard it. Set your high D and then stretch your pinky. If you need to, bring that elbow towards your belly button. Here we go. 4 E and a. One more time, pinky finger. 4 E and a. 1 E and. Now let's back up to 54 and play both 54 and 55. Watch out for the dotted quarter note. 4 E and a. 1 E and. 3 and 4. 1 E and. One more time. 54. 4 E and a. 1 E and. 3 and 4. 1 E and. Violins, we have a few more measures coming up that start with a dotted 8th note and 16th note. Find measure 57. This one starts off that way too. So look at the last two counts of the measure at 57. They're both combo packs. The first combo pack has the fast notes in the front and is a slur. It is an up bow here. All three notes in one up bow. And then it's a short staccato for the other combo pack. Let's try those combo packs together. Up bow start, last two counts of 57. 2 E and. Short. Again up bow. 2 E and. Now let's add the first half of the measure. Play entire measure 57. 4 E and a. Slur, short. Same thing again. Use your pinky finger for this first E. 4 E and a. 1 E and. Now look at measure 58. There's not a slur this time, but it still starts off with a dotted quarter note. Look for the combo pack in measure 58. And then the highest note is G natural. We have to adjust our second finger. Let's play 58. 4 E and a. 1 E and. Natural. Natural. One more time. 4 E and 1 E and natural. One more time. 4 E and Now let's go back to 57 and put 57 and 58 together. Pinky finger, 4 E and 1 E and natural. One more time. Use your pinky instead of open E string here. 4 E and 1 E and natural. Now we're going to play from 54 all the way up to 59. Watch out for all of these dotted quarter notes at the beginning of several measures. 54, 4 E and 3 and 4, 1 E and a short tie. 3 and 4, 1 E and 1 E and one more time at 54. 4 E and 1 E and 3 and 4, 1 E and 3 and 4, 1 E and 1 E and Violins, take a look at the rhythm on the board. And this occurs for us on count 3, so that's why I've written it over on the edge. So the 16th note is first, so that is the fast note slurred to a dotted 8th note. And then we have a combo pack. So we're going to use D's and E's. You can see those written above. I'll demonstrate. So it goes 3 E and 4 and one more time, or let's try it together using D's and E's. 4 E and E and E slur. One more time. 3 E and E. Now I'm going to change it a little bit because there's a tie between this dotted 8th note and this 8th note, and then a slur to connect those. So now I'll demonstrate this for you. It's D, E, and 4, and so it's a little longer than we think. I'll demonstrate again. E and 4. Now let's try that together. 2 E and 3 E and 4 and one more time. 2 E and E and 4. Now I want you to find measure 52, the second half of the measure, and this is the rhythm we just practiced. So G to A, I would use pinky finger A, because we have to get over to G string second finger. Open D is totally fine. Let me demonstrate that again. G to A, pinky. So let's try that together now. 2 E and 4. One more time. 2 E and 4. Now let's do the whole measure. So measure 52. 4 E and 4. Again. 4 E and 4 E. play from 51 to the end of 54. 4 E and A. And 4. Too far. Sorry, let's go back and do that again. 51, I promise I'll stop at the end of 54 this time. 4 E and A. And 4. Now we're going to play from 51 down to 63. 4 E and A.